Today I am going to prove an important theorem of geometry, basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem. It is also known as Thales theorem. According to this, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of triangle, it will divide the other two sides in same ratio. For this, we will draw a triangle ABC in which we will draw a line L parallel to BC meets AB at D and AC at E. So we write first of all, given triangle ABC in which line L parallel to BC meets AB at D and AC at E. We need to prove ratio of AD and DB is equal to AE upon EC. For this, we will do some construction. Join BE, DC and draw EF perpendicular to AD and DG perpendicular to AC. So BE, DC, this EF perpendicular to AD and DG perpendicular to AC. Now further, in the proof we see area of triangle ADE is equal to half AD into EF by using half base into height. You can see here this AD is base and this is height. Similarly, area of the same triangle can be taken as half AE into DG. It means half into AD into EF is equal to half into AE into DG. So half and half cancelled. We call it equation number 1. Also, we can see area of triangle DBE is equal to area of triangle DCE, because triangles on same base and between and lie between same parallels. Therefore, half into DB into EF is equal to half into EC into DG. You can see here that for triangle DBE, this is base and this is height. For DCE, EC is the base and DG is the height. So half and half get cancelled and we call it equation number 2. If we divide equation number 1 by 2, divide equation 1 by 2, we get AD into EF upon DB into EF. On the other side, AE into DG upon EC into DG. EF and EF cancel, DG and DG cancel. We get AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Hence, proved.